Do you want prospective clients to turn into leads? Keep on watching as we discuss one type of sales funnel and find out if it's the right one for your business. This video is a part of the Sales Funnel Training Series by TechnicForce, so make sure to subscribe to the channel for other videos on marketing and sales funnels that will definitely help boost your business. Before we begin, hit that thumbs up button and share this video to help us reach more people. Let's go. As mentioned in the previous video, a sales funnel helps you understand your customers' behavior before they make a purchase. It helps you optimize your marketing efforts by knowing what works and what doesn't. The question is, do you need one for your business? The answer is yes. This video will help you understand one type of sales funnel, the application funnel. An application funnel is when you have prospective clients fill out an application form to see if they qualify for a product or service before you make them an offer. With most opt-in campaigns, the goal is to attract more leads and gain a piece of contact information from your incoming traffic. Usually, that means trying to get an email address so you can put new leads into your email marketing strategy. You could remove all leads through the application that may not match the particular products or services that you sell. Once people fill the form, it means they're interested in your product or service. They're ready to take your calls or meet at coffee. By reading their application form, you can better understand your potential customers, their goal, finance, knowledge, the problem they face, etc. The application funnel basically has 3 steps. Step 1. Reverse squeeze page. Typically, you might do a case study or something you want, and at the end of it, people give you their email addresses. They click on a button and a pop-up will appear. They put their name and email address in, and then you make an application page. Step 2. Application page. They can fill out a long-form application and give you all the information about who they are and why they should work with you. Then, you take them to the thank you page. Step 3. Thank you page. You can thank them here, and now you've got an application lead. You can go and call and sell your products or your services. If you're an author, speaker, coach, or consultant, use this funnel to sell your coaching program, placing a success story on the first page, then asking them to apply on the next page. This would be the default back-end funnel after every mid-tier funnel. If you're in network marketing or affiliate, make people apply to join your team. This would let them know how serious your team is, but also add exclusivity. The funnel would result in a phone call with a few questions. If you're in business to business, and potential sponsors to an application funnel, which results in a phone call. The first reverse squeeze page would highlight other companies' success that have gotten results in the past. If you're in professional service, use this funnel for existing customers to apply for special continuity-based pricing. When they apply and make it through qualifications, they get special pricing and coupons. If you're in retail or brick-and-mortar business, use this funnel for new and existing customers to apply for high-discount holiday tickets. If they're accepted, they'll get huge discounts and offers during holiday shopping seasons delivered to their email or door. If you're in e-commerce, use this application funnel to get people to purchase more exclusive high-end products. Do a demo video of the new product and then have them apply to get on a waiting list to have the ability to buy in the future. And that's it on what an application funnel is and if it's the right sales funnel for your business. But before this video ends, do you want to build your successful online business without breaking a sweat? We have the right software for you. Introducing CloudFunnels. CloudFunnels is an all-in-one platform that can help you build unique funnels, landing pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. It is the easiest funnel builder with profit-boosting features you won't find anywhere else. CloudFunnels boasts of its easy-to-use drag-and-drop designer. No complex DNS setup required. No hosting hassles. Save time with 30+ ready-made templates. And make free and paid memberships. You do not require any coding knowledge to use this platform, making it a win over its competitors because it is cost-effective and effortless to use. Integrates with all the major CRMs and autoresponders, and offers many free plugins which will make your work easier and smoother. In short, CloudFunnels is all you need to set up your dream site. Make CloudFunnels your business assistant today. Go to yournextfunnel.in and take advantage of its awesome features. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you'll never miss anything from us. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.